There we go. I think we got our answer.
Yeah.
And that's the car we're going to be driving now.
Yeah. Let's go, Ashraaq.
How does that grab you up?
Yeah, that's the first time I'm experiencing an Impreza first gen, and I think Ashraaq, you're driving an Impreza for the first time as well?
For the first time, yes.
Okay, wow.
The only Impreza I've driven is actually an Impreza hybrid.
Oh wow.
So yes, this is even that hybrid. I mean, yeah, it was not really that sluggish, but this is a totally different ball game. You can't even compare the two cars. I mean, for those who don't know the Subaru Impreza WRX STI, this is an STI 4. This car has got a whole bunch of enhancements on it. The owners tell us that it's got, I believe, an STI 6 gearbox. Am I right?
Yeah.
And then we've got an STI 8 era turbo, and after that we've also the engine is STI 4, but all that makes for a rather nice little power bump of 330-340 horsepower over the stock 300. Now, fun fact for you, Mahen.
Yeah.
Japan was under what was called a gentleman's agreement at the time. So what that meant is they never declared that their performance cars had more than 276 horsepower.
Right.
But in reality, these things had around 300. I also have no idea how fast I went because the speedo is not working. But I think that's a very nice thing because, well, you don't want to crap your pants, do you, Mahen?
Yes, you don't.
Also, another fun fact for you, Mahen. Why I asked whether I could drive this car first is because, you see, I'm a nervous passenger.
Right.
So I thought if I feel it for myself, first I'll be a lot less likely to, crap my pants.
Yeah, that's fast.
Yep. I must say, Mahen, even though we are going like crazy,
Yeah.
this car doesn't feel edgy, it doesn't feel jittery, it doesn't feel like I'm out of control.
Right.
And I noticed that the tires, I only saw the front tires when I was inspecting, I didn't check the rear yet, but
Yeah.
they're 215s, which if you think about it nowadays,
Yeah.
is not a very broad tire, but the fact
Yeah.
that this is an all-wheel drive car,
Yeah.
it just gives you that bit of confidence,
No, that's true, Ashraaq. Yeah, in fact, the tires on my Verada are 215s as well.
And you can chirp 215s, but here,
Yeah.
well, unless you really wanted to chirp these tires, but that's not the point of a WRX STI really.
What? Oh shit.
Holy,
Wait.
I went over it.
Oh no.
That's okay.
Shit. Go check it out, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out. That's okay, it's a moment for the channel, right?
Oh man.
Well, I know the memory card would have got the footage, so
Shit. Shall I stop, bro? Are there someone in? Shall I get off somewhere?
yeah, sure. I'm just going to. Where did it fall, Machan? That side, no? Ani, thank you so much. It's there.
Ah shit. We might have to tell those.
Yeah, Ani. Oh man. Run over my own action camera in this car.
Oh no.
So what I'm going to do is just pull over here, and there it is.
Oh no.
I'm just going to pull over here and let's see how badly smashed is it.
Oh, it doesn't seem too bad. It doesn't seem too bad.
Yeah, it's not too
Yeah.
bad. I mean,
Looks like it's still functional.
oh my word.
Hopefully.
Let's see.
Oh,
Okay, screen is
gosh.
crashed. That's okay. Okay, another one. Let me just power it off so that we don't lose anything. So Mahen, right now I'm driving in third gear. I'm driving in a very docile fashion. Just 2000 RPM on the tachometer. But when you do that to this car, it doesn't feel right. It just feels like, you're caging a raging horse or something. So that's not what this car is meant to do. So
Yeah.
and that's why the owner was telling us also, even though he used to use it as his daily, it wasn't a very comfortable car because you know you're not being able to enjoy it.
That
so
is
now
true.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over and give you the chance to enjoy it.
Great.
Because otherwise I'll be in this seat until I don't know till tomorrow morning.
Cool, man.
The driving seat. Oh, don't rev it too much in first. Okay. Holy shit!
That bad? Sorry.
Not bad. No, it's okay. Mind the three-wheel. Horn doesn't work, ne, Majan?
Horn was a red color button.
What, Maja?
He has a red color button on the door, right?
Ah, that's the horn.
Okay, got it.
Weight saving.
Huh? Let's say.
Wait, say. Ashraaq, have you started?
Yeah, we have started. So Mahen is driving now. With me, the nervous passenger in the
Yeah.
passenger seat. There is no seat belt here.
Yeah.
So
You can clearly see Ashraaq reacting to that instant spurt of speed. So this is my first time driving a Subaru Impreza. I've been in actually a second gen Impreza, if I'm not mistaken, Ashraaq, before. And this is the first time I'm driving a first gen. So this is a lovely red color
Yeah, it's
Subaru
beautiful
STI.
colour.
And a big thank you to the owner Anuja for reaching out to us and allowing us to do this review today. And first of all, I know I meant to drive this car a little faster, but I'm taking it a little slow. Okay, let's just give it.
Holy shit! Yes, go for it.
My gosh.
Can you smell that, Mahen?
Yeah.
I think you actually smoked some rubber, Majan.
Did I?
I think you did.
Hey, Machan, it's not overheating, right? No.
No, it's not.
overheating.
Nah, nah.
It's not.
Why, bro?
I think you let the clutch out a bit too much.
Yeah.
Ne? Put
Putting
like,
the clutch a bit too much.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
no worries, because it's a very, the clutch has a very short bite point, doesn't it, Mahen?
Okay.
Basically, all the controls of this car you will note have very short points. Like the gear is a short shifter, the clutch, the throttle, all those things.
Okay.
So like, okay, get off the clutch totally.
Okay.
There we go. And there goes the bike. Now shifting to third, fully off the clutch. There we go. Okay, now stop. Wow. How was that?
Okay. Got it.
Sorry for the shoddy camera work, Mahen. But I think I actually found a position now where I can brace myself and,
Yeah, so I think it took me a while to get used to the clutch. The clutch is super cool, actually, Ashraaq. I'm so used to driving the normal cars, the ordinary cars. I didn't realize that the clutch really as soon as you release it, it engages, which is amazing. So Ashraaq, how are you feeling in the
better,
passengers?
much better.
Okay, sorry about that.
No, that's okay. Yeah, pull around the corner, that's good. Give it a bit more power, yes, go for it. Nice. Very nice. I think you've got the hang of it now.
Yeah.
You've got the hang of it and
Yeah.
I've got my stomach settled.
Yeah.
Now what I would recommend is, Mahen, when we take the U again,
Yeah.
start off from first.
First.
Yeah, start off from first.
Okay.
That'll give you even more of a bit of a, and take a U at the second point, not here. So you can see, viewers, that Mahen is silent, very silent.
Yeah, I am silent because this is the first time I'm driving a car that goes this fast. Okay, let's go in first. Okay.
How that?
Yeah.
Nice. Done. Mind the three-wheel. It's okay. Don't worry about that, Mahen. Don't worry about that. That happens because we get into European cars, Japanese cars, and vice versa. So,
Yeah.
how was that?
This is great.
Now what you do is, again, when you're coming back, after you exit
Yeah.
the corner,
Yeah.
in second gear, push it like he said, up to 7,000 RPM.
Second gear.
Yeah. Second gear, right?
Yeah, around 6,000. Yeah.
On 6,000.
Okay.
7,000 you might, the turbo might cut off.
Then
That's
don't
the cut-off point.
then don't go to 7,000.
Okay.
Go to about 665.
Okay.
Nicely done, man.
Yeah.
This I must say, this the exhaust never gets too loud inside, no?
Huh?
Like it never gets too loud, right, Mahen?
Yeah, that is true, man. Sorry, I'm a little silent today because, as you know, this is a.
Whoa, why is this guy turning right? Is he like going to jump off the bridge or something? We've just encountered a white car that seems to be trying to turn right on a bridge. So we need to be mindful whether he's going through a midlife crisis or something. But if he is going through a midlife crisis, buy one of these. Just buy
Yeah.
yourself one of these. Whatever worries you have at home, be it family worries, work worries, anything.
Oh, look at that.
These will cure everything, and that is, I believe, an MG, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, looks
Very
like a
classy looking MG.
Yeah.
Just gonna try and get a picture of it there. I think we can just about see it.
Yeah.
But now
We'll do one more round, Machang, and then I think we should be good.
Yeah.
No, I think can go on. There you are, Mr. Mahen Markananda, giving it the full beans, as they say. You can observe his facial expression.
Yeah, man. The power output, Ashraaq, it's crazy. The response.
And the
in
best
this-
part is, Mahen,
Yeah.
this is pushing 330, 340 horsepower, and how much fun it is. I mean,
I know, right?
makes you wonder how those super tuned Evos and WRXs that are around Colombo with 500 plus
Yeah.
horsepower. But I imagine those
Crazy.
would be a bit much for Colombo, though.
Yeah.
During our
Right.
photo shoot, we saw how fun this car was in Colombo.
Yes.
So,
Okay, we'll have to drive a little slow now.
everybody's
Where
in the car.
passing
Oh, look at
the exact place where Ashraaq ran over our action cam.
that. Oh, yeah.
His action cam, to be honest.
You can give it a bit of, not with this
Yeah,
side.
Man.
You know, this is actually not as brutal as I was initially expecting.
Yeah, no, I mean, the impressions I had of this car were totally different. I mean, in terms of handling and everything, like you said, Ashraaq, this car is very planted, and also it goes when you want it to go.
It does, doesn't
And
it?
it's a very nostalgic feeling, to be honest, because this car featured in a lot of games back when I was a kid growing
Oh,
up.
yes, Need for Speed.
And yeah,
Actually, no, Need for Speed. didn't
not
have. I
Need
think
for
Gran
Speed, but
Turismo
there
had.
were a few other rally focused games that I have played on the PC.
Don't switch it off.
Yeah, man.
Top tip
Amazing.
for viewers there, if you have a turbocharged car, especially like this one, you do not switch it off immediately after a run.
Yeah.
Because you need to let the turbo cool down. That's why we have things called turbo timers. But nothing beats a turbo timer like good old human ingenuity.
Yeah, totally. So,
So
I
there
mean,
you are, viewers. What do you think, Mahen?
man, it was crazy, Ashraaq. To be honest, that's the first time I drove that fast, I think, Ashraaq. And that's the first time I saw you freaking out.
Hey, I told you I'm a nervous passenger.
I think you freaked out the same way in Shirendra's MR2 as well.
Well, in hindsight, maybe I should have driven it first. But I think that's why I freaked out a lot less
Yeah.
because I knew what was coming.
Oh man, it was epic.
You saw a contrast, right, between me in that seat and me in this
Yeah,
seat.
yeah, totally, totally. Okay, so viewers, there's one thing we would like you to do.
Yes, for
What's
sure.
that? What's that? Ashraaq?
Subscribe.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I didn't know.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. கனவு